this video, I'm sharing with you the Korean 10-step skincare regimen I use to clear up my cystic acne. The first step in the regimen is to clean with an oil-based cleanser. It's the first step in the double cleanse method. Oil cleansers help to remove makeup and cleanse away oil-based impurities from pollution and excess sebum. The second step, the water-based cleanser, cleanses away impurities like sweat and dirt. And I'm using my Clarisonic to help me to get this job done. Third step in the regimen is to exfoliate, which helps clean out your pores and clear away dead skin cells.
Now let me just say that when you use the scrub, you don't use it every day. I use the scrub 1 to 2 times per week.
Before moving on to the next step, I like to take a paper towel to blot away any excess moisture after rinsing my face. Next up is to use toner, which helps to prep the skin to effectively receive all the moisturizers that are going to follow. It's also great for removing any leftover residue from the cleansers. Here's where I go a little off plan with the original routine. The actual Korean 10-step system has the essence as the 5th step, followed by the ampoule or other treatment, and then the sheet mask. I actually apply the ampoule and then the sheet mask and end with the essence. I find the absorption of the moisture is so much better for my skin this way. That's why I like to get this little combo sheet mask essence products that you see in this video. Ampoules are high potency serums that come in plastic or glass vials that you break just before using them. You don't have to use them in this regimen. In its place, you could use whatever serum treats a skin condition you're looking to improve. Most of the time, I use the Snail Bee Ultimate Serum from Benton, also a Korean skincare brand. The Snail Bee serums are gold in a bottle. With regular use, they help brighten the skin and fade scars because of its power to regenerate skin cells. The sheet mask kicks it all up a notch by literally feeding starving skin with moisture. Some people use these daily, but I like to save on cost and use them 1 to 2 times a week. Essences are super concentrated and created to super hydrate your skin, affording it some anti-aging properties. Then I use eye cream to keep the delicate skin in this area from getting dark circles or getting too puffy. I naturally have puffy under eye areas, so I really like to put this eye cream on in abundance. It's typically used under the eye area, but as you can see, I like to put a bit on my eyelids as well. The 9th step in the Korean skincare method is moisturizer. Think of this step as the sealant of oil for your hair products, just for the skin. It helps to lock all that good moisture in. The final step is to use sun protection, but since I'm not going outside, I won't be using it now. You should always wear sunscreen when going outdoors. It doesn't matter how much melanin you have, it's your best defense against skin cancer, especially if you'll be outdoors for an extended period of time. The reason it's the last step is you don't want to get it diluted by all the other products. Thanks for watching, and I'll leave all the products I found effective in the description box below.